Your favorite natural hair doctor is here again.
It could have been nothing. Wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the
Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time coming across this channel and you like what we are doing, please kindly hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. And to my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for always coming back. Thank you guys so much for always coming back for me. I still remain your girl, your best girl, Norma. Okay, so on today's video, we are making aloe vera oil. Guys, this oil is so good, honestly. So good, so good, so good. So, first of all, I have my aloe vera, which I already washed, and I am just cutting it into cubes, like into lost guys. I don't know. This English is not English. So I am just cutting it small, small so that it will be able to blend. Okay.
you're living the moment. Carried away from who you are. Chasing stars. Chasing stars. Chasing stars. Chasing
So to blend this, you are going to need oil, any oil of your choice. So I am using olive oil to blend mine. Can use coconut oil, can use argan oil, any oil of your choice. So after blending it, this is what we have, and then I'm going to go ahead and stir fry it until it becomes the oil that we need. So guys, my reason of making this oil is because my hair feels so weak, like I need something to strengthen my hair, which aloe vera is one of the things that would help me to strengthen my hair. Okay, aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It also controls hair loss and hair breakage. It also promotes a lot of hair growth, which is also one of the things I like so much. Aloe vera also contains vitamin B12 and folic acid, which also helps to keep your hair from falling out. Olive oil is rich in fatty acid and antioxidants, which helps to promote hair growth. It can also provide many wonderful health advantages like nourishing and strengthening your hair and reducing bacterial infections. It is one of the best hair oil for regular use and works for all hair type or hair texture. So guys, try this hair oil and thank me later. I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you. Bye.